Morning, Brian Fisher here from Cape Yachts during the 2025 Boston Boat Show. I'm on board a gorgeous 2022 MJM 3 that is a listing here at Cape Yachts. This boat is immediately available and in incredible condition, boatyard maintained for all of its life, and a lot of new equipment on board. I'm going to take you for a quick tour, but great way to get into a legendary MJM 3 at a fraction of the new boat cost. So if you're interested, give me a call. Put my contact information right down here. And notice this gorgeous black painted hull has always been preserved with ceramic coating throughout its life. This boat was detailed once a week for its entire life. Boarding through this convenient side boarding door. You'll notice the great MJM 3 layout that hopefully you have appreciated. This boat has brand new cushions throughout. There's actually nothing wrong with the old ones, but we decided to replace them. So brand new cushions make the boat look new. Flexi teak flooring looks nearly new. Zip-in enclosure across the back here. Took it out so you can experience the full expansive indoor-outdoor nature of the MJM 3. Refrigerator out here, sink, perfect socializing boat for, I always say, 10 to 12 people. Beautiful pilot house space here. We have a brand new Westerbeek generator on board that powers the heat and AC, which can heat or cool your pilot house here, depending on where you're going. It's a great 3-season boat for up north, but allows you to run the AC if you take this boat to Florida, where it's a bit warm. It's nice tinted side windows. Love the solid windows instead of the roll down soft version. It's nice to laugh at a wave as it splashes you when you're underway in Buzzards Bay. Moving forward, the MJM Signature Destroyer wheel. This boat has zip wakes. Of course, it has Mercury. This boat has twin 300 horsepower engines, bow thruster, Garmin screen, wonderful powered electric front windows that sets MJM apart from most boats. Co-pilot seat, great view, great sight lines from both seats. Beautiful yacht-like appointed bathroom. This door goes forward and meets with the window when it comes down. Over here on the starboard side, we have changing room / dry storage and your simple electric panel right there. Moving forward, this boat was optioned with the telescoping electric table, which I'm not sure is even an option anymore, but that can go down and filler cushions can go on top, making this an entire sun pad. But without that, you just have a wonderful social space for 6 or 8 people. I can personally tell you that sitting up here while underway at 26 to 30 miles an hour is a wonderful place. Windows are down, you can't hear any engine noise or any other conversations, and you're just up here in your own world. It's just a great feature. MJMs have very little bow rise and also very dry up here. Looking up top here, we have an LED light bar, of course radar, searchlight. So moving aft, this table is just taped shut because we are at a boat show. Just want to preserve the table and not have everyone flip the table leaves out. Privacy curtains, which are actually quite nice if you're leaving the boat for a long time to keep the sun off the interior. You see the MJM Bimini, which we have folded up right now. That's in great shape, again, near new. That comes forward, shades this whole area right here. Again, MJM or Mercury 300s, just took the labels off, which is great. You can see a little walk around space here. Of course, you have a hot and cold shower on the aft deck. After you go swimming, there is a ladder underneath that little swim platform over there. So there you have it. 2022 MJM 3. It's a listing here at Cape Yachts, available anytime. We could have this boat ready to ship to Florida about a week's notice, or we could have it ready for you for a spring launching up here in New England. So give me a call or email me. Information is below. Thank you.